Reporters at both the Wall Street Journal and The Verge are describing big problems with Apple's brand new Series 3 watch, and it is not pretty. Both report that the cellular connection boldly proclaimed by Apple might not be so fabulous after all, to which Apple finally said it is investigating a software fix. Here's what's gone down so far. The Wall Street Journal found that the watch dropped cell phone connection often in its review, which was supposed to be the whole glorious point of the new edition of the Series 3. The publication's reporter, Joanna Stern, found that turning cellular off and on helped connect it again, though she also had a difficult time keeping it charged. She said most worryingly, a colleague and she experienced cellular connectivity issues on 3 separate pre-production models in 2 different states and on 2 different 4G LTE carriers. To which Apple then said, yeah, no one else has said that. Then came The Verge's review, which said the watch frequently struggled to connect to LTE and often linked to an unknown Wi-Fi network instead. While surfing and away from Wi-Fi signals, reviewer Lauren Goode says that her watch either had a single bar of service or no service at all. Apple later told The Verge, "We have discovered that when Apple Watch Series 3 joins unauthenticated Wi-Fi networks without connectivity, it may at times prevent the watch from using cellular. We are investigating a fix for a future software release," end quote. Apple declined to comment further when Engadget contacted the company about the issue. Just a reminder, the watch begins shipping to pre-order customers this Friday. Engadget has a first look of the watch coming by the end of the week, though the full review will be next week. Chris Velasco will give a full scoop of living with the watch then. See you tomorrow for more Engadget Today.